Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show speed control on the overflow menu on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Go to the extra settings section and here click to the audio button. In the control section, you can find the first option, the Android Auto Playback Speed, show speed control in the overflow menu. And if you want to enable and display, just click to the next square icon and new is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.